Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Zach with aBlogtoWatch checking in from the IWC hangar at SIHH 2019. We're here with the brand new Top Gun collection. A lot of really cool watches. These are the badass pieces that IWC is really known for in the pilot collection. The flagship of this collection has got to be the new Mojave inspired full ceramic Top Gun model. In-house movement. This jumps down from the 89 series movement to the 69 series to make it a little bit more economical. But everything we've known and loved about the Top Gun is here. This comes in just 3 new variations in the collection. Of course, it also comes in the black ceramic treatment. This is what people really have come to know and love about the Top Gun series, so this is also a personal favorite. We do have a new 3-hand model as well, full ceramic case and in-house manufactured movements. So it's great to see a more economical 3-hand classic model come back to the Top Gun collection. Last but not least is my personal favorite is the all-new Doppel Chronograph, which comes in a new Ceratanium case, which is a ceramic and titanium hybrid. Super cool black on black aesthetics, smoked crystal. There's a lot to love here. So that's it for now at the IWC booth at SIHH 2019. Lots more stuff to come. Make sure you check the site often and check in on Facebook and Instagram as well. We've got lots of hands-on impressions, opinions from the show, and plenty more content to come. Thanks for watching.